Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel e-learning tutor. So in this ninth video Super 5 series, we are going to discuss 5 challenging questions of chapter heights and distances. If you missed watching previous videos, I'll link it in the I-bar. You can go check it out if you're interested. So without any further ado, let's get started. Have a look of all these 5 questions that we are going to do today. So shall we start? Okay, first question. If the angle of elevation of top of a tower from three collinear points A, B and C on a line leading to the foot of tower are 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree respectively, then the ratio of AB is to BC. Okay, let's draw the diagram. This is the tower and three collinear points, right? So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let us name it as OH. OH is of height H, A, B, C, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Got it? Why did we write like this? Because 35 degree will have more height than compared to, like, see this height, slant heights. Got it? This heights also. See, 30, 45, 60. Got it? Now let's do it. From triangle HCO, tan 60 is equals to H by OC. Correct? Now what is OC? H by root 3. So this is our equation 1. Again, from triangle HBO, what do we get? Tan 45 is equals to H by OB. Agree? What it gives? H is equals to OB. Well, we got one equation 2 again. From triangle HAO, tan 30 is equals to H by OA. Yes? Now, what will be the value of OA? H root 3. Yes? Equation 3. Yes? Now, see, they are asking us the ratio of AB is to BC. So, what is AB? AB can be written as OA minus OB. Yes, OA minus OB. So, H of root 3 minus 1. Yes, AB is H of root 3 minus 1. In the same way, what is the value of BC? OA minus OC. Sorry, OB minus OC. What is it? H of 1 minus 1 by root 3. Yes, BC. Now let's do it. Okay, well, AB by BC is equals to H of root 3 minus 1 by H of 1 minus 1 by root 3. Cancel. What do we get here? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. What is our answer? Root 3 is to 1. Yes. So, AB is to BC is equals to root 3 is to 1. This is our conclusion. Let us write it here. Root 3 is to 1. Okay, let's solve the second question. A vertical pole consists of two parts, being 1/3 lower part of whole at the point in the horizontal plane through the base of the pole at a distance of 20 meters from it. The upper part of the pole subtends an angle whose tangent is 1 by 2. Whose tangent? Okay, tangent is 1 by 2. The possible heights of the pole are. Okay, fine. Let's do it. Let's draw the diagram. Well, okay, let us consider this total to be H. Then 1/3 of H will be H by 3. Other third will be Other part will be 2h by 3. Yes, from here what is he saying? It subtends an angle. Okay, let us name it as alpha and this as beta. Let's name A, B, C and D. Okay, what are given more? AB distance is also given as 20 meter. Yes, AB is given as 20 meter. And it is also given as tan alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Yes, now look carefully. From triangle BAC, what do we get? Tan beta is equals to h by 3 by 20. It gives h by 60. That implies tan beta is equals to h by 60. Yes, now, okay, let us name it as equation 1. Now, same thing from triangle DAC, what do you get? Tan of alpha plus beta is equals to h by 20. Yes, now what is tan of alpha plus beta formula? Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Let us substitute all of these. Tan alpha is 1 by 2 plus tan beta is from 1, h by 60 by 1 minus h by 120. Agree? Now solve this. What do you get? 60 plus 2h by 120 by 120 minus h by 120. Yes. Now look at here. 60 plus 2h by 120 minus h is equals to h by 20. Yes. Now crisscross. 120 plus 40h is equals to 120h minus h square. Yes. Now h square minus 80h and plus 120 is equals to 0. Yes, we got a quadratic equation. What will be the values of h? 20, 60. Yes, possible values of h will be 20 and 60. 20, 60. Agree? Now let's proceed. Two poles standing on a horizontal plane and are of heights 5 meter and 10 meter respectively. The line joining their tops make an angle of 15 degree with the ground. Then distance in meter between the poles is. Okay, let's draw the diagram for it first. Okay, 5 and 10. Ground. Their heights are making 15 degree. Agree? Now they are asking the distance between them, right? Let us name it as x and A, B, C, D and E. Okay, this DE is 10, AC is 5. Yes, now look carefully. This, if this is x, this will also be x. Agree? Now see, from triangle ABE, from triangle EAB, what do you get? Tan 15 is equals to 5 by x. Agree? This is 5, right? This is 5. This is 5. This whole thing makes 10. This individually is 5 and 5. Yes. What is the formula for tan 15? Well, it is 2 minus root 3. How did we get this? We know tan 15 can be written as tan 45 minus 30. We know this formula. Tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. We get it via this. Okay, you solve this, you'll be getting this. Now let's find out. 5 by 2 minus root 3. Root 3 cannot be in the denominator, so rationalize it. What do you get? 5 of 2 plus root 3. Why? What is this? 4 minus 3, which is 1. Why 4 minus 3? A plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. Yes, a square minus b square is 1. So this is our answer. Let's go to the fourth question. Okay, what is this answer? 5 into 2 plus root 3. Yes, now fourth question. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, equal distances between them on the road, the angle of elevation of top of poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. No, it can't be between. Why? Between doesn't mean it's equal length. They said just between. I'm sorry. They said just between. Why they are not equal means here it is 60 and 30. So if they are equal, they doesn't have equal angles. Like if they are equal, they have the same angles itself. But here they are not equal. Rather they are between respectively. Find the height of the pole. Okay, let's draw the diagram. Fourth one, two equal heights. Okay, on the road which is of height distance wide 80 meter, and this should make some angle at, let us take this, okay, 30 degree 60 degree. You can take 30 degree here or 60 degree here, whatever. Okay, now let's name this A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now see here, AC is 80. Now from triangle BEA, what do you get? Tan 30 is equals to AB by AE. Yes, agree. 1 by root 3 is equals to AB by AE, which imply AE is equals to root 3 AB. Equation 1. In the same way, from triangle DEC, tan 60 is equals to CD by EC. Yes, root 3 is equals to CD by EC, which imply EC is equals to CD by root 3. Second one. And they have also mentioned it as AB is equals to CD. Why? They are equal heights poles. Okay. Now, so we can write EC also as AB by root 3. Let us take this as equation 2 and let us utilize this 80 meter now. Okay. AC is equals to AE plus EC. I hope you understood why I have taken here in terms of AE and EC. Why? We can substitute it directly over here. Root 3 AB is equals to plus AB by root 3 is equals to 80. Why? They have given 80 over here. The wide of the road is 80. Now 80 is equals to 3AB plus AB by root 3, which imply 80 root 3 is equals to 4AB and AB is equals to 20 root 3. Well, the height is 20 root 3. Okay, now let's go to the fifth question. The angles of depression. Okay, this is angle of depression sum. Till now, all four of the sums were of angle of elevation, right? Now, angle of depression sum. The angle of depression of top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of multi-storied building and the distance between two buildings. They are asking us two things over here. What are those? Height and the distance. Okay, let's draw the diagram. Fifth one, right? Yeah. Now, see. Well, from here to one end and like this. And this is our line of contact. Why are we drawing line of contact? Here Actually, we have to draw it for everything, but must for angle of depression cases. Okay. This is given as 30. This is given as 45. As these lines are parallel, we can write this as 30 and this is 45. Yes or no? Yes. And this is given as 8. Okay, let's name this A, B, C, D. Okay, something different. P and Q, whatever. Okay. Now, look here. DC is given as 8 meter. Now, see, from triangle PBD, what do you get? Tan 30 is equals to PD by BD. Yes. Okay, write the value of tan 30, PD by BD. Now, BD is equals to PD root 3. Agree? First equation. Okay. Now, as BD is equals to AC, we can write it as AC is equals to PD root 3. Now, take this as equation 1. Okay. Now, let's go to the second triangle. From triangle PAC, what do we get? Tan 45 is equals to, what is it? Opposite by adjacent, right? PC by AC. PC by AC. 1 is equals to PC by AC, which imply PC is equals to AC. What are they asking us in the question? They are asking us the height of this multi-storied building as well as the distance. Yes, but what did we get from the second equation? They both are same. Yes, they both are same. This is an offer. So let's utilize that and find only one value. Okay, let's find the height of this so that we will even get this distance. Let us find the height of storied house so that we'll even be getting the distance between them. Agree? Now see, we can write PC as PD plus DC. Yes or no? PC as PD plus DC. Now this PD can be replaced by AC. AC is equals to PD plus DC. Yes. Yes. Now this AC from equation 1 can be written as PD root 3. PD root 3 is equals to PD plus, what is it? DC values 8. Yes, which imply PD of root 3 minus 1 is equals to 8. PD is equals to 8 by root 3 minus 1. As discussed before, in denominator we shouldn't have root values. Okay, let's rationalize it. Plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. What do we get? 8 of root 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 into root 3 plus 1. What is this DC value, right? Yes, sorry, PD value. I'm sorry. Here I have written it wrong. PD value. Agree? Now, we got the value of PD. What is it? 4 of root 3 plus 1. And we have the value of DC, which is 8. They are asking the height of it. So, PC is equals to PD plus DC, which imply PD is 4 of root 3 plus 1 plus 8. What is the final answer? 4 into, oh sorry, I'm writing it again, plus 8, which imply 4 into 3 plus root 2. Root 3, sorry. Here it is root 3, right? Agree? What is it? 4 of root 3 plus 1 plus 8. I'm writing it again. Root 3. Yes, this is height of multi-storied house is 4 of 3 plus root 3. Distance between those two, what is it? Distance between those two buildings is also 4 of 3 plus root 3 from equation 2. Yes, These are the 5 challenging questions that I have picked from Heights and Distances. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, eLearning Tutor.